Welcome to a demonstration of a co-development between Telink and Syntiant. This is a remote control with NDP 120 and a far-field dual mic solution running, and it is with the wake word OK Google. There is a LED that flashes with activations, but you're probably not going to be able to see that, but we have the magic hand to the right that will give a thumbs up when it activates, OK Google, and a thumbs down if it misses. So I'm gradually gonna walk further back and you will see how well it does. OK Google. So now I'm probably at about 2 meters. OK Google. And about 3 meter distance. OK Google. And now I'm gonna say at 5 meters, OK Google. And I'm a little bit to the side, OK Google. I'm gonna try a little further back, so now I'm probably at about 6 meters, OK Google.